Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. So today your girl has this gorgeous this wig is absolutely gorgeous. I've gotten so many compliments on this wig, y'all. Like, this wig is thebomb.com. So of course this wig is in collaboration with Nadula hair. I love all of their wigs that they have sent me. I've never really had any issues, no problems with tangling, shedding, or any of that. So I'm just talking really quickly about this gorgeous balayage type of wig. I don't know if I said that right. If I didn't, don't come at me, okay? But this is the wig that they sent, you guys. They did a phenomenal coloring job. Like, y'all, at this point, you don't even have to pay anybody for highlights or anything, let alone do them yourself. You literally can just order a wig. Like, the coloring, they did a phenomenal job. I don't know how good you guys can see it because this is a new camera, but this is a little darker honey blonde type of color, and this is the nice 613 blonde at the top, and then in the middle is some nice brown chunky color, and then at the top it is dark black. So I love that, y'all. This is just, it's just giving everything that it needs to give. Like, I've been obsessed with this wig, and I've actually worn it I'd say like 3 or 4 times. I've worn this wig a lot, so this isn't the first time that I'm actually like physically, you know, putting it on, which is why the installation process is going to be pretty quickly. First things first, y'all know, if y'all know me, I like to get into packaging first. So this is the box, the nice classic Nadula box they always send. It says be confident, be bold, be you. Inside there's the packaging, and then they did send me some goodies, a pair of eyelashes and a wide tooth comb and 2 pairs of nude wig caps. So thank you guys so much for that. So shipping was really fast, you guys. It was via DHL, so I was really excited. I was depending on this wig because they talked to me about it and stuff, and I was like, I wanted, like, not even one, y'all, I needed the wig. Like, it's just so pretty. So I'm so tiny, so I have to bend it down. Okay. I gotta love being short. Some details about the wig. It says Nadula long face framing highlight wigs, honey blonde balayage on brown balayage. I don't know how you say the word. It says on brown hair. So the pictures are true to, you know, how the wig is. It looks really good. I have seen a wig like this before on Instagram from like someone who does wigs, so it's really nice to see it come to life with this company. Now this is a closure wig, you guys, so it is it has 3 combs and adjustable straps, but it does have that fake skin, so the parting looks really seamless. I don't know if you guys can tell, but like, it looks really good in person. It blends so good. So all you really have to worry about is putting it on. You don't have to necessarily glue it down, but you know, that is an option. So I got the wig in 24 inches, and may I say that this is gorgeous, y'all. Like, this wig is so long. First of all, I didn't straighten it, but look how long it goes. So it's a little past, literally like to right before my belly button. I am 5'3", so just definitely take that into consideration, of course, when you're buying this wig, that you maybe can get 22 if you're shorter than me. It'll fall like 24, but this is definitely falling like 26 inches. Machine made wigs are probably my favorites just because they fall just a little bit longer, so I have no complaints at all. So the starting price with this wig is $147. So the lengths that are available is 14 through 24 inches, and most of it is pretty affordable. They also offer quad pay. A lot of these hair companies are offering quad pay, so that's great. But yeah, I went over shipping and all of that. Like I said, I wore this wig in different conditions, outside, inside, slept with it, all that, and it's still pretty good. So I'm just gonna do a quick little 360. Yeah, that is pretty much it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Any questions or anything you guys feel like I left out, please comment below. Like always, I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching a video, and I will see you in the next one.